Not only does it mean that we'll increase our manufacturing capacity here in New Zealand, it creates jobs, it creates training opportunities, and it helps us with our transition as we look to deal with the important issue of climate change. This is going to be a real boon for Dunedin. I mean, not only do we, of course, have the hospital rebuild, but now we have this significant project. So not only will it create construction jobs as we build the facility, on an ongoing basis it will also create jobs within the workshop, 10% of which Kiwiwara are committing will be apprentices.
From our perspective, this is not just about Hillside, but I think it's a signal around the importance of manufacturing, modern manufacturing, engineering skills that are required in almost every sector of our economy. And so yes, this is about a Hillside and it's about a future for rail, but it's equally about making sure that we manufacture things onshore here which has the benefit of creating further jobs and training opportunities.
And it creates that pipeline. So here we'll have assembly occurring at Hillside. That creates opportunities to ensure that we have the ongoing staff skilled and trained to deal with the maintenance issues that of course arise by having a strong rail network. And we are building a strong rail network.
It is a great day for Hillside, it's a great day for the government, it's a great day for Dunedin as well. The apprentices that will be trained, that the Prime Minister's spoken about, will also go, no doubt, and work also in other enterprises locally. That's been part of Dunedin's success over the years, has been that strong apprenticeship training through Hillside. Those skills are used in the wider economy, and of course the construction work here, we're going to have construction workers here, we're also going to have them building a hospital. Dunedin is really enjoying some extraordinary growth at the moment, and this is another aspect of our agenda, showing what's important to the government. It is high skills jobs, it is modern facilities, and making sure that we've got that happening in the regions.